Hey everyone, I hope everybody's having a great day today. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you could actually make an extra $300 to $500 just by working with companies that you know and trust, okay? This is great if you have no job or you're looking for a job right now and you're going through tough times and you're trying to make some extra income to pay some bills, your rent, certain stuff like that, okay? So this is not a job, but it is something that I highly um, recommend for you guys to go ahead and try. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay for anything. You could Google it and find more information on it. I guarantee it's 100% legitimate. Okay, all you gotta do is create your free account, and you get paid for doing surveys. Okay, you get paid for doing surveys with them, and all they want is your opinion, so they could go ahead and make the products or services that they offer us better, and in return they pay you for that. Okay, simple as that. And the best thing, it's 100% free to create your account. So I'm going to show you in this video how to create your account, how to get started. So go ahead and watch this video through the end and create your account, and once you're done, you're going to be able to get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the get started button right here. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and answer all of these questions that it's asking you, and it's very simple. That's all you got to do. Okay, so you're going to answer every single question. All right, and I'm going to go fast forward till the end so you guys could actually see what happens after you finish completing these questions. Okay, but make sure that you answer these questions truthfully, because they really want to work with you and they really want you to be honest with them, because they are going to be paying you. So go ahead and do that. And once you finish completing part of it, you're going to go ahead and see these couple questions right here. So this one's asking you for your mobile phone number. And this is optional, but I would recommend to put it in because they will basically be texting you when you have surveys that you could fill out in order to get paid. Okay, so they'll be reminding you through text message, hey, you know what? I have a survey that you could go ahead and fill out. It fits you, and go ahead and fill it out for us if you're interested. Okay, so you go ahead and do that. Once you do that, if you do decide to go ahead and submit your phone number, you go ahead and click on this little check mark and you submit. So once you submit your current account information and stuff like that, I'm gonna ask you for you to go ahead and confirm your email. Okay, so that means that they want to make sure that you use a legitimate email address and that you're a real person. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go to your email inbox from the email that you used to create this account, and go ahead and click on the email that they sent you and verify it. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how you do that real quick. And let me go real quick. Let me show you. And as you can see, I just went to my inbox real quick for the email that I used. And you're going to see this email right here, okay? If you don't see it in your inbox, go ahead and check your spam folder, your junk email, okay? It should be there. And once you see it, go ahead and click on it. It should say Toluna, confirm your Toluna registration right here. And all you're going to have to do is you're going to click on it, open up your email, and it's going to say right here, congratulations, you became a Toluna influencer. Before you can start influencing your world, you have to do one simple thing, okay? And that's verify your email. So all you're going to do is just click on this button right there. Okay, go ahead and click on it. And it's going to tell you that you're ready. Okay, you're ready to get started. It's actually going to give you this message. First, welcome. You are ready to influence your world. Complete your profile by start impacting the product and services that matter to you. Okay, then you simply get started, and that's it, guys. So it's as simple as that. So it's as simple as 3 minutes in order to complete this. If you're interested, go ahead and watch this video and get started. Okay, remember, it's 100% free. Make anywhere from $300 to $500 per week. And it's great when you don't have a job, you're looking for a job, or you just want to make some extra income. All right, guys. So I wish you luck. I wish you the best of your day, and I'll see you around.